Learn how to broadcast silent command that must be obeyed using Hypno telepathy. My friend, you might have heard about telepathy, mind-to-mind communication, and it might have happened to you a number of times when you thought about somebody and he calls you, or you call somebody and he just say that he was thinking about you. It happened to us all the time, but we don't know how to use it consciously. So Hypno telepathy is a powerful tool to use mind-to-mind communication easily and effectively to your advantage. When you learn Hypno telepathy, you will be able to improve your relationship, get more customers, make more money. You can influence other people and influence their thoughts. In fact, you can influence their decision making, and you can express love and think mentally, send love to others, and even you can, if your money is stuck somewhere, you can get the money back, and you can influence your ex-love or people who have been already not in touch with you, get in touch with you immediately. And this Hypno telepathy is a powerful tool. So my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer, hypnotherapist. I am conducting my live training programs all over the world. More than 500,000 attended my live training program. So my friend, I have created a very powerful, first time in India, a course on Hypno telepathy. How to broadcast silent command that must be obeyed using Hypno telepathy. It's a very powerful program. It's a WhatsApp program. You can learn from your home. It's a 21-day WhatsApp program. So my friend, if you're really interested, click on the link, go to my website and join our WhatsApp group to get complete detail. So do it right now. Do it right now. Thank you very much and see you soon.